Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here as an early bird. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and it's I'm outside Screwfix in Cleckheaton, West Yorkshire. So I've picked one of these up today. It's a maganusson cross line green laser. So this is a green laser. You may have seen me reviewing a laser that I bought last year just before Christmas in 2022, and I used that on various different jobs. And I did get a bit white with the red laser, didn't show up on the wall as much as it should have done. So I decided to get a new one from Screwfix, waited for them to come down in price a little bit, and I just picked it up for 30 quid. It also comes with a bracket. This obviously is still in the box, so I'll do open the box when I get on site and we'll give it a good review, because I need it, because I've got to put some wallpaper up and some dado rails. So I just need to make sure I've got all the lines spot on, because it's a complicating staircase. I need to run the dado up, which you'll see in a minute once I stop recording and get on site. So yeah, this is the maganusson green crossline laser. It's a 15 meter range. It's got a 0.3 millimeter of accuracy, and needs 2 AA batteries. I don't know whether they are included or they're not included, so we need to put some batteries in it. So yeah, like I say, we'll get it on site, get it tested, make sure it's working, and then I'll give you my honest opinion of it. So here we are on site. I've got the level in back of my van here. I'm just going to unbox it. So this is the box. As you can see, nice carry case to keep it all together. Don't need the box now, so put it in the recycle bin when I get home. Instruction booklet, and there's the level. Nice bright orange colour, quite solidly built. Nothing cheap about that. Comes with a bracket. Now this should be magnetic, so just stick it to the bulkhead on the van. There you go. Nice strong magnets as well. That's quite a strong attachment there. So what we need to do is put some batteries in it. Now the batteries are not included, so you need to get some batteries if you're intending to use it straight away. Should be able to pick some up cheap enough somewhere. So all you need is a couple of AA batteries, and it's just simple. We put them in the battery compartment as instructed. There'll be a positive and negative guide on the lid there. Clip them in, press the button. There you go. There's the green laser. This is daylight, by the way. You can see the laser there shining on the toolbox and everything else in the van. You can lock this laser off as well, so it just produces like a solid beam, or like I've just done there. It's now flashing. That means it's not level. So when we get it inside, I'll show you what happens when you level it up. The light will go solid. It's fairly easy to use, fairly self-explanatory. So again, this is the bracket. You'll notice it has a thread there, so the laser will just screw onto that. And it also a hole at the top, so you could just fire a nail in or a screw and just attach it to something. So we're just going to attach it to the bulkhead of the van now and screw it on, just to demonstrate how it works. Little thumb screw underneath to make it easier. There you go, nice solid fixing. Switch it on, you've got your laser pointing where you want it to go. So that's great. It's great that it comes with a little bracket like that. My other one didn't come with a bracket, so you end up having to buy them, which are about 10 or 15 pounds. This was 29.99, so it was under 30 quid and came with a bracket, so well chuffed with that. And take it inside now, and here we are. I've got it set up on a tripod. We're not particularly doing anything here on the staircase. I'm just demonstrating the flashing. So when it's flashing, that means it's not level, and when you start leveling it up, it goes solid, does the beam. There you see, it's a nice strong green beam. Now the piece of wood leaning up against the wall's got absolutely nothing to do with anything at the moment. It's the dado rail that I am going to attach to the wall. So now I'm setting the laser to a solid beam, so it won't flash now, because I want to demonstrate how you can just tilt it and the beam won't flash. Just flash a little bit there, but it's nothing. Now I'm following the same angle as the staircase, just lining it up with a step there. As you see, the beam is solid. And what I want to do is run the dado rail up to see where it will finish, because it passes through a window about halfway, about 3/4 of the way up the stairs there. You can see the window, you see the beam, it passes halfway through. So what we'll be doing is running the dado rail up to the top of that window ledge and then stopping and bringing it round the rest of the staircase, as you can see here. So the laser level came in handy for doing that. I've just got a little piece to put there now, which you can see the level is flashing very slightly, so it just needs leveling up. I'm just using a Stanley pin gun here, nail gun. Just fire it in. There's a bit of instant grab adhesive behind the dado as well, which is holding it in place. A few pins, which is going to help it stay in place. So there we go with the Maganusson laser level. Really good piece of kit there. It's a nice decent size for what you might want it for. Put it in your toolbox, put it in the back of your van, or put it in your glove compartment or something like that. But I found it was really good. Had a really good strong green laser light on the wall, and it was really handy as well, having the bracket, which is magnetized so you can attach it to metal surfaces, and yeah, really easy to use. So I'd give it a big thumbs up, give it around about an 8 out of 10, simply because it's a nice bit of kit to own if you want to get a nice cheap laser level. Normally around about £50 here, but I managed to get this one just under £30 here in the UK from Screwfix. So wait for Screwfix to come out with some deals, or do an online search, use some codes they might be having, or vouchers they might be having at some point, and you should be able to get a good deal on. So I'd give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, and while we're talking about thumbs up, don't forget to like this video for me, and you can subscribe if you wish. It is appreciated to everybody who does subscribe. It helps this channel immensely with the support that people give it. So once again, I'll catch you guys in another video soon. Hopefully do some more tool reviews and some more work as well, work videos, and we'll catch you guys again in a video soon. Thanks for watching.